Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or unsolve the problem of queue on the application of Threads with good settings. Here we click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. On above, you will search about the application of Threads. And we click here. In this page of app, unfold we go for stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end, you'll turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.